Guys, so welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So this video, let's solve this 1619 called min of the array after removing some element. So given array return min of the remaining integer after removing the smallest 5% and the largest 5%. So this problem basically, first you need to somehow like sort the array, right? And then you delete the first 5%, the last 5%. And then return the so-called min. Okay, so this is an example. So idea is that what? Idea is that right, your array length is guaranteed to be less than basically greater or equal to 20 or less than equal to 1000, and the array length is multiple 20. Okay, so this idea is very easy because we have 20. The length of 20, right? So basically the first 5%. So basically we can separate this array into we can separate. Let's say array length is the multiple 20. So let's say array length is n. Let's call it 20m, right? So basically we can, the first 5% is the first m, right? The first m section, and the last 5% is the final m, right? So basically we can just delete. We can just first sort the array. So the algorithm first can sort, right? So after we sort, then we delete the first m and the last m. So we can remove, let's say this array is called L, and then we preserve this L from m to 19m. Okay, and then we divide the length, right? So the total length is 18m, where m is just the length of L. Right, let's divide it by 20. Okay, and it's guaranteed that the since length is a multiple 20, so m is guaranteed to be integer. Okay, so that's the algorithm. So first we sort the array. We sort the array, and then we calculate the length, and then we divide m, and then we just from m to 19 and divide it by 18m, and then we sum of length, and then we divide it by 18m. Okay, so that's the proof. Okay, so let's do submit. Oh, okay. So we still solve it, and I will see you guys in the next video.